Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see your subscribers on YouTube, of course, account. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and open any browser you're using. Then go to the URL here and type youtube.com. Then hit the enter button. Of course, you'd like from here, go to your YouTube studio. It's simply you can just go here to your icon at the top right corner. Then of course you would like to go and click your channel. Here you would like to go and click at manage videos. That will actually take you into the YouTube studio. So from here you would like to go on the left and click at dashboard. As you can see here, we have channel dashboard. So for me, I have 0 current subscribers. So if you actually have subscribers, you will have an option called recent subscribers, as you can see as this show us. So if you type here how to see your subscribers, all you need to do just sign into YouTube Studio. On the dashboard, find the recent subscriber cards and click at see all to expand the card. So as you can see here, if you have some subscribers, you will have an option which is like this, which is recent subscribers, and all we need to do just click at see all. But for me, I have 0 subscribers, that's why it's not here. But if you actually have more than 0 subscriber, at least one, you will have an option called this recent subscribers. And if you have maybe a lot, maybe 1k subscribers, you can click at see all and expand the card and see all your subscribers on your channel. So this will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching this tutorial and goodbye.